Have you ever seen a bug roll poop like a soccer ball? Or spray hot chemicals like a superhero?
Ew! Wait, bugs do what?
Oh yes, Maxine. Today we're learning Insane Bug Facts, Volume 2. And trust me, it gets weird, funny, and a little gross.
I'm already a little grossed out, but I want to hear more.
Great! Let's start with one of the strangest bugs ever. Dung beetles eat poop and roll it into balls.
No way. Like poop snowballs?
Exactly. Imagine making a giant meatball, but it's not food you'd ever want.
That is the worst lunch ever.
But for dung beetles, it's perfect. They roll it home, eat it, and even lay eggs in it.
That's kind of smart and super gross.
But wait, it gets even weirder.
Uh-oh.
Did you know not all mosquitoes bite?
What? Then why do I always get bitten?
Because only female mosquitoes bite. They need blood to help their eggs grow.
So the boys are just flying around being chill?
Yep. They mostly drink nectar, like tiny juice boxes from flowers.
Wow, I've been blaming all mosquitoes this whole time.
You're definitely going to want to hear this next part. Houseflies taste with their feet.
Hold up, their feet?
That's right. When a fly lands on your food, it's actually tasting it.
Ew, so it's like stepping on pizza to see if it tastes good?
Exactly like that.
I am never looking at flies the same again.
Now let's talk about bug superheroes. Some beetles can spray hot chemicals to defend themselves.
Like a bug blaster?
Yes, it's called a bombardier beetle. It shoots a hot, stinky spray to scare predators away.
That's actually kind of cool and scary.
Speaking of stinky, stink bugs release a super smelly odor when they feel threatened.
So they throw a stink bomb?
Exactly. It's like their way of saying, back off.
I wish I had that power during tests.
That might clear the whole classroom.
Instant day off.
Now, here's something surprising. Ants don't sleep like we do.
Wait, they never sleep?
They take lots of tiny naps all day long.
Like power naps between homework?
Exactly. Quick rest, then back to work.
That sounds kinda nice, actually.
But termites take it to another level. They never sleep at all.
Never?
Nope. They just keep eating wood nonstop.
That's like eating snacks forever, but also doing chores forever.
Perfect way to put it.
Bugs are starting to sound like tiny, busy robots.
Some of them really are. Now, get ready for this. Some caterpillars pretend to be snakes.
No way! Like hiss and everything?
Yep, they puff up their bodies and look like little snakes to scare predators.
That's like wearing a Halloween costume to stay safe.
Exactly. Clever, right?
Super clever.
And here's another amazing fact. Wasps can remember places and even faces.
Wait, bugs can remember faces?
They sure can. If something bothers them, they might remember it later.
Okay, now I'm going to be extra nice to wasps.
Probably a good idea.
You said there was one more big fact, right?
Yes. Stick around, because the last fact might surprise you the most.
I'm ready.
Spiders are not insects.
Wait, what?
It's true. Spiders are arachnids. They have 8 legs, not 6 like insects.
So spiders are in a whole different group?
Exactly. It's like they're cousins, not twins.
Mind blown.
Bugs may be small, but they are full of big surprises. From poop-rolling beetles to face-remembering wasps, the insect world is amazing.
And a little gross, but mostly awesome.
That's the perfect way to say it.
I think I'll never look at bugs the same again.
And that's what learning is all about, seeing the world in a new way.
Even the weird, creepy, crawly parts.
Exactly. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.